The man accused of being responsible for that deadly explosion in the Sunset, scheduled to appear in court today to be formally charged. KTVU's Christian Captain joins us live from the Hall of Justice. And Christian, you had a chance to speak with the district attorney about this case. Tell us about it.
Yeah, that's exactly right. I spoke with the district attorney, Brooke Jenkins, just about an hour ago, and she tells me that the suspect in this case, Rita Price, is set to be charged with numerous felonies in court today, including a manslaughter charge. Yeah, the explosion shook the Sunset District last Thursday. The medical examiner has now confirmed that the woman who died in that blast was 51-year-old Rita Price. On Friday, police arrested 53-year-old Rita Price on suspicion of involuntary manslaughter, manufacturing narcotics, and 2 counts of child endangerment. Now we're getting a clearer picture of what prosecutors are alleging. The DA saying police and the arson task force have determined that Rita Price was processing hash oil in the home, a dangerous operation they say involved highly flammable chemicals, which led to this explosion.
We are not talking about somebody growing marijuana in plant form. We are talking about something that was extremely flammable and very dangerous, and as we see, caused an explosion that not only engulfed his home, but damaged several other homes in that neighborhood, and really could have done much more damage than it did to other people.
That blast also sent a healthcare worker who was inside the home at the time of that explosion to the hospital with severe burns to her hands and face. The fire and explosion also destroyed the homes on either side and damaged homes up and down the block. Now, the district supervisor, Joel Ingardio, will be hosting a town hall meeting tonight for residents impacted by that explosion and fire, trying to connect residents with services and personnel they need to try to get back into their homes and to get their lives back in order. Rita Price is due in court at 1:30 this afternoon here in San Francisco. We're live in San Francisco. Christian Captain, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Christian, thank